from right from today, okay, and you will not write anything else regarding your, you will just, if you have any query you can ask me, okay, but you will not ask any other questions like मैम पढ़ाओगे, कब तक पढ़ाओगे, आप इंग्लिश कैसे कराओगे, या जो भी है जैसे ऐसा कुछ भी आप लोग टाइप नहीं करोगे, ठीक है। आपको मैं पढ़ाऊंगी, आपको समझना है सबको, ओके। एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी क्वेरी, इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग, यू कैन आस्क मी, राइट। Okay, so you have done till chapter 15, I guess, right? Reader we will do, we'll complete with reader first, right? So we're going to start with chapter 16, right? Okay, we're going to start with chapter 16, Lalu, right? Okay, many of us like a play. Okay, chapter 15 is completed. We'll do with chapter 16, right? Many of us like to play harmless pranks on each other and enjoy moments of innocent laughter, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, so obviously, when we are with friends, we are with our classmates, we are with our friends, we are with our brothers, sisters, whatever. What we do, we usually have a small prank on them, and we enjoy that moment, right? हमें अच्छा लगता है, हम हंसी मजाक करते हैं, हम खेलते हैं, and we feel good, we feel enjoyment, we feel laughter, हमें अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है, okay. And it is simply, you can say, a cute a nice moment at that time when we are with our friends and families and having fun with them, right? And pranksters can be very annoying but are often extremely clever and intelligent, right? And here with this story about one such mischievous young boy. Okay, so Lalu is one of the mischievous and a young boy. It is a story based on this boy called Lalu. ठीक है? Okay, clear? Okay. So his pet name was Lalu. He had a formal official name, but most people knew him by his name, right? So there was one young boy, and his name was Lalu. He was having his official name also, but basically he was known. He was popular among the people with the name Lalu, right? Stop passing out these comments and all. Listen to me carefully, please. Okay. Then you might know that the word Lal in Hindi means favorite. Okay? When we denote somebody with Lal, that means we are denoting him. It means that it's his favorite one, right? So, so you might know that the word Lal in Hindi means favorite, and I don't know who had given him the name, but the name really suited his personality. Basically, they were not knowing who had given him this name, but it suits to his personality. He was favorite of all, right? What I paused, right? Then there is no doubt that he was everyone's favorite. The boy named Lalu was everybody's favorite. Okay, so he's saying that There is no doubt in that it was the favorite of all, and his name was Lalu. The name is particularly, you can say, what is the name of similar to his personality, similar to the way, because everybody loves him a lot. Okay, he was favorite of all of them, right? After completing school, all of us took admission in the college, but Lalu decided that he did not wish to study any further, right? After the completing the school, what happened? They all, obviously, when you complete your school, you enter to the college, right? You take admissions in your colleges, right? But Lalu didn't do so. What he decided to stop studying. Okay, he don't want to study further, right? He did not wish to study further. वो आगे नहीं पढ़ना चाहता था, right? What you want to say? What I paused? What me? What does this mean? Okay, so he borrowed 10 rupees from his mother and started working as a contractor. Now what he did? He don't want to study further. वो आगे पढ़ना तो चाहता ही नहीं था. तो उसने क्या किया? उसने 10 rupees अपनी मदर से borrow किए. Stop commenting on each other line. Stop, please. Listen here. Leave that. Now what he did? He took 10 rupees from his mother, okay, and he started work, okay, of a contractor. Lalu, your capital resource is only 10 rupee. We told him, okay. अब उन्होंने सबने क्या बोला कि ये 10 rupees ही है आपके पास तो लालू how you will work for that, right? He smiled and replied, how much more I need? This is enough, right? What he said कि मुझे और कितने चाहिए, मुझे और नहीं चाहिए, ये जो भी मेरे पास है ये काफी है. This is enough for me, sufficient for me. Everyone loved Lalu, which helped him for getting his contacts easily, right? He was favorite for all, okay? वो सबका बहुत ही फेवरेट था, जिसे हम बोलते हैं चहीता था, प्यारा था, इसलिए वो जल्दी से फ्रेंड्स बना लेता था, जल्दी से सबसे कांटेक्ट कर लेता था इजीली. What I am teaching, you are not knowing, Tejas? What I am teaching, didn't I give you the introduction when I opened the class? When I entered the class, sorry. You are having your subject English ना, ये English का period है, right Tejas? So I am taking your English. Okay, clear? Right? Any more confusion? So he replied, okay, that how much all I need, and because his nature was so good, he was being he everyone loved Lalu, right? And which helped him for getting his contacts easily. सब उसे बहुत पसंद करते थे, उससे बहुत प्यार करते थे, इसे easily उसको सब सबके साथ वो easily connected रहता था. Okay. Oh, my way to college, I won't often see Lalu standing with the umbrella over his head, supervising a few laborers busy in road repair. Now, what he saw that Lalu was standing side by the road and he was supervising some of the, you can say, the laborers who were busy in the road repairing. Okay, road repairing में काफी सारे laborers जो busy हो रहे थे. He was supervising them. Who? Lalu, and he was having the umbrella over his head, right? He would tell us in the jovial way, that is means cheerful way, a friendly way. Okay, go run to college or you will be marked absent in the attendance register. Okay, now he told that you please go and please go there in the college and mark your attendance. Okay, otherwise it will be marked as absent over there. Okay, so he was telling them that you all of you please go to your college, otherwise absent will be marked. Okay, in the attendance register. Much earlier, when we were younger and studied in the Bangla school, he was everyone's mechanic. He was always had an instrument in his school bag. Now they are talking about the school time कि एट द स्कूल, जब स्कूल के दिनों की बात ये बता रहे हैं कि जब वो स्कूल में था तो ही वॉज एवरीबडीज मैकेनिक. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी तो ही ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. लालू ट्राई टू सॉल्व द problems, right? And he was having a group, a bunch of a collection, you can say, a collection of different instruments in his school bag. He used to carry different instruments school bag, right? The handle of the motor and the pistol, a nail cutter, a broken knife, a carpenter's drill to make holes with a horseshoe, right? So he was carrying a little small things, okay, collection of different instrument in his bag, okay. God knows from where he had accumulated. मतलब उसने कहाँ से इसको collect करी थी? They never know from where he used to bring all these instrument in his bag. One thing was certain, there was no work that he could not accomplish with his instrument. ऐसा कोई काम नहीं था जो वो अपने उस instruments जो उसके बैग में रहते थे उससे वो नहीं कर पाता था. ठीक है. I am not having any network connection, Nehal Nupur. It is the problem from your side. It is the problem from your side. My network connectivity is good. It's showing over here. It is the problem from your side. Okay, if your video is getting paused again and again, it is the problem from your network side, because all other students can hear me clearly, can see me easily. They are not having any voice problem. They are not uh, facing any type of screen pause, right? Anybody of you are having any problem regarding the video? See, nobody is having problem. It is your network issue. For sometimes it happens. Don't get so panic, right? It happens sometimes that the network connectivity gets poor. It is not good. Wait for a while, it will be okay. Clear, Nehal Nupur? Clear, Nehal? If voice is not coming, it is a network issue from your side, because everybody else who are online can hear me easily, can listen to me. They all have no problem. They are not facing any problem. Only you are having problem. That means it is the net connectivity issue. Clear? Okay, should we continue now? Okay, so where were we? Right. So God knows from where he had accumulated those things, and when the things certain no work, so that he could not accomplish with his instrument, he would many a times obliged his schoolmates by repairing their broken umbrellas, fixing wooden frames of their slates, stitching their uniforms, which had got torn while playing football, right? तो वो आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि he was very helpful. He used to help his classmates with their to come out without to come out of their problems they are having, right? By you can say he used to oblige his time by repairing different things of this of his classmates, right? By repairing the broken umbrella, he used to repair the umbrella. If anybody umbrella is broken, he used to repair it. Okay, he used to fix the frames to a slate which is been broken, right? He used to stitch the uniform of any of the classmates if he or she has any problem regarding that, right? If it is gone torn while playing sports, playing football or anything else, right? Lalu never declined many work, and whatever work he undertook, he did it most efficiently, right? लालू की सबसे अच्छी बात क्या थी कि वो किसी भी काम को करने से मना नहीं करता था. He used to do everything whatever he can do. He never refused to do any work. वो उसकी एक सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी थी कि वो कभी भी रिफ्यूज नहीं होता था, right? He used to do the work of his classmates, okay, and he tried to do it with his best. He used to give his best, right? वो बहुत ही efficiency से उस work को complete करता था, right? Once during the festival, he bought a few pairs worth of colorful paper and made some toys out of it, right? In the festival time, he made a toy. He brings some of the colorful papers, right? And he made from that. He sold them near the bank of river for 2.5 rupee, and with that money he fed us a lot of chicken pigs, right? Chick- sorry, pigs. Undoubtedly, he was the most loved person, right? Now, what he used to do, he was very efficient with his work. He used to never refuse for any of his work. So, what he did, he bring colorful papers and some more instrument, and he, you can say, with that colorful papers, he used to make some toys and like that, and he used to sold them out with a half rupee or so, and then he bought something for his friends to have, right? Then सो वी कैन से अनडाउटली मीन्स कोई डाउट की जरूरत ही नहीं है यहाँ पे। इतना ज्यादा सब उससे, इतना ज्यादा एवरीबडी वाज सो फैसिनेटेड। they loved him like anything anytime because he was the person who cares for others. Okay, he was the person who help others by, if anybody is having any type of problem, he used to try solve their problem with an efficiency. Okay, clear to everyone? समझ आया? Sure. Okay, sorry for it got disconnected, right? We were okay. So undoubtedly, everybody loved him because he was caring. He used to work for everybody. He never refused anybody for any type of work. He can, however he can help. He helped everybody in the school with his. He used to always cooperate with his friends. Okay, he used to help him anyhow the way he can help. Right. Right? As the year went by, he all grew up. Now the years passed and he grew up, right? There was no one in the gymnastic club to compare with Lalu. Now in this demo, they are talking about the club where they were. So they are saying that there was nobody like Lalu. Nobody is there to whom we can compare Lalu, right? Strength and courage were endless. Now, see, both the physical strength and courage. Physical strength, he was very strong and he was very courageous, right? किसी से डरता नहीं था, तो endless थी ये दोनों चीजें उसके पास, right? Like he can do his best out of his strength and he was very courageous, right? He would turn up whenever anyone called him and wherever anyone was in trouble, right? तो लालू की सबसे अच्छी बात जो उसकी बचपन में थी, उसकी बड़े होने के बाद भी थी, राइट? When he was in his childhood, right from there to the big to the journey which he go through and he grew up. जब तक वो बड़ा हो गया, at that time also the quality which Lalu was having was same, that whenever wherever anybody called him and having any type of trouble, he used to always go and help the people, right? He used to never say no to anyone. Okay, and this habit he was having in his childhood also, so this thing was continued with him till when he grew up, right? He would turn up whenever anyone called him, okay, or wherever anyone was in trouble, right? Perhaps he did not know what fear meant, right? अगर हम बात करें डर की, तो वो लालू जानता ही नहीं था कि डर होता क्या है. He was not at all familiar with the word fear, right? He don't know this word, okay? However, he had one serious vice, and that was that he could not control the play with the pranks on the people, ugly pranks with the people, whatever be the situation or their age. एक उसकी जो बहुत अजीब सी आदत थी, आप कह सकते हैं, या डिफरेंट थी, एक चीज वो ये थी कि he used to play pranks on the people. वो सिचुएशन नहीं देखता था, वो एज नहीं देखता था. He used to not see what is the age of that, and he used to not at all used to see that which a person is having his little bit, yeah, old, or he's a small child. He used to not see that, right? This was his, you can say, a bad habit, I guess, right? So whatever be the situation of their age, right? This he did to all. वो ये सबके साथ करता, right? Irrespectively of any other considerations. However, he would invent such a plans for terrifying people within seconds was beyond your imaginations. Let me narrate one such incident. Now, narrator is saying, I am going to tell you one incident which happened, which was created, which was, you can say, planned by Lalu. Okay, and it was, you can say, it was beyond the imaginations. उसके जो prank होते थे, you just can't imagine. Okay, you just can't make a thought of it. What type of prank he want to play, right? So now he is trying to tell you about the prank. Okay, so he is going to narrate such an incident which Lalu you had the had sorry, which Lalu has did with someone by naming, by giving that he is playing a prank on, right? So have you clear today what I have explained you? आप सबको समझ आया है आज? जो समझ में आया आपको अभी तक की स्टोरी, have you understood? अनु, नेहल, नुपुर, प्रांजल, दिव्या, संदीप, तेजस, उपलब्धि, सबको समझ में आया? विष्णु, have you all understood? जस्ट यस मैम लिख मत देना ऐसे ही। ओके, सो अभी तक की जो स्टोरी हमने पढ़ी है उसमें क्या था? उसमें हमें ये अभी सिर्फ एक लालू, एक यंग बॉय है जिसका कैरेक्टर हमको इसमें एक्सप्लेन करा है उन्होंने कि किस टाइप के कैरेक्टर उस लड़के का था। लाइक ही वॉज वेरी helpful, right? He never refused to refuse anybody from any type of work. Whenever, wherever anybody is in trouble, he used to move and help him. And he never know what is. He was very much, you can say he was not at all familiar with the word, or he don't know what is fear is about. Fear होता क्या है वो नहीं जानता था। वो सबकी हेल्प करता था किसी भी वक्त कहीं भी। उसमें बहुत स्ट्रेंथ थी, वो बहुत ही करेजियस था, निडर था, बहुत ही स्ट्रांग था। फिजिकली भी वो बहुत स्ट्रांग था। लेकिन एक आदत जो उसकी अलग थी वो क्या थी? वो यूज टू ब्रिंग प्रैंक्स ऑन एनीबॉडी, एंड ही यूज टू नॉट even give time to realize that, oh, it is what age a person is having or what time I should do all this prank. No. Okay, when he used to plan any type of prank, he wants that to be complete. He wants to play it on anybody, whether a child or an old age boy, old age uh, old age person, whosoever is there, he wants to play prank on him or anybody else, right? So now the narrator is narrating a story and telling you that now I will going to tell you one of the incident which happened, okay, with the Lalu when he play prank on the persons, pe- prank on the people, right? Okay, so we'll continue with this story, right? And we're going to, it's not so long story, small story, we'll complete it, okay, soon, and then we're going to do the question answers also, and then we'll take one chapter of reader, one chapter of grammar. Okay, we'll do like this. Okay, bye all of you, and you all take care of yourself. Yes, and happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. Okay, bye.